Alright guys, so the next task here is to check all of your storm windows on the outside and all your weepholes. And so we went around our house and checked, and we don't have any storm windows, surprisingly.
No.
Which is weird to me, but we don't. This looks like a little weephole here. Really, it's just a broken piece of plastic on the window.
But they do kind of look like that. So your weepholes, what they do is when you get water against your window, it like drains the water out
from your windowsill. So if you don't clean those out, you can actually clean them from the inside when you open your window. If those get clogged up with anything, there's no proper drainage, and that can cause your windowsills to rot and things like that. So
you don't want to.
Maybe for Becca's birthday or Christmas, I might get us some nicer windows or something. But I know she'd like that. But in the future, we'll upload a video and show you exactly what the weepholes look like. I believe we might even have a picture of those, and the storm windows as well, to make sure the seals are proper and you keep those weepholes cleaned out so that there's proper drainage, and that's the task.